Trying to enable secure boot in Windows 11 and stuck on BIOS screen? Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to enable secure boot on your PC and how to fix the common UEFI booting problem where Windows refuses to start after making the change. So let's get started. First, restart your PC and press the BIOS key, usually F2, F10 or F12 depending on the motherboard. Look for settings such as boot mode, CSM or legacy or UEFI. Windows 11 normally needs UEFI, not legacy or CSM mode. If CSM or legacy mode is enabled, you may need to disable it. But don't change this blindly if Windows was originally installed in legacy or MBR mode, because the PC may stop booting. Find the boot sequence or boot options. Now go to a section named something like boot, boot sequence or boot option priorities. Choose add new boot option. Some BIOS interface have an option such as add boot option, add new boot option or create boot option. Now give the option a name. For example, type Windows Boot Manager. Select the Windows UEFI boot file. Note carefully, because the exact BIOS menus differ between ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte, ASRock, Dell, HP, etc. Also, boot mgfw.efi is normally located on the EFI system partition, which may not have a normal drive later in Windows. Now browse the EFI system partition and locate the path. /EFI /Microsoft /boot mgfw.efi. Boot mgfw.efi is the Windows Boot Manager file that tells the firmware how to start Windows. Now click Apply, Save or the equivalent option. Put it first in the boot order. If you see the newly created Windows Boot Manager option, move it to the top of the boot sequence. Save the BIOS changes and restart the PC. If everything is configured correctly, the system should boot into Windows. This is basic step. If this works, then that's a good sign. Your system should be able to continue booting normally. However, if this step doesn't work and your PC still refuses to boot, don't worry. I have a detailed tutorial that will walk you through how to repair the UEFI partition and restore Windows Boot Manager. This is a more advanced procedure, so I recommend following the steps carefully. So I hope the video was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.